Hello everybody. We're going to talk about one aspect of digital accessibility today. So I'm here in my little Canvas demo course, and if you look at the menu on the left and go into My Media, you will see all of the videos that you have uploaded into Kaltura. Now, what happens is that when you create a video and you put it in Kaltura, it will automatically caption that video. It's not instantaneous. Sometimes it takes an hour or so, but then you will see it come up with this little note that says the caption has been completed. And the thing to keep in mind with this is that caption is auto-generated, and it is usually really bad. So what we're going to learn in today's session is how to then edit those captions so that they're accurate, because that's really what we want to provide, to have a caring atmosphere for our Baylor students and that focuses on universal design for learning. So we'll just come down here and we can pick any of these. I'll pick my little Module 3 intro here, and I will click on it. Now the reason I'm choosing this one is because I have not edited the captions, and so I want you to see how you would do each step of the process. Other of my videos I have edited them. So you'll start here, and you'll see that there's this action button, and you'll be tempted to hit the edit, because if you do that, I'll go ahead and do it incorrectly for you so you see. If you hit edit, then there's this captions menu item. That is not what you want. I know it looks like it may be, but it's not. So I'm going to go back a step, and instead of hitting edit, I'm going to actually hit the plus caption request. Alright, so once I do that, it's a very not user-friendly tool. And so you come up here and it just looks blank and you're not sure what to do, but you have to click here to see the captions. All this is doing is you're basically asking for it to bring in the auto captions for you to be able to edit them. So that step you did just said, go retrieve the auto captions and give them to me in a format that I can edit. Once you do that, then you're going to press the edit button. Now, at this point, it will be your chance to make these captions correct. And so the system has done its best, and you can read through them, and it's going to be hard to do during the screencast because you'd have overlapping video. But you would just hit play, and as you come to something that is incorrect, then you would just simply click into that box and edit it. So if I had to guess, I would say that I did not say this week to come Mecca here live from New York. So I think what I said was, this week I'm coming to you live from New York. So I would say coming to you live, and I would just change it. And then once I did that, I would hit save. And you would, of course, do that for your entire video. The benefit is the time markers are already there. Most of the text is already there, so it's not very time consuming for you to go in and just make those edits. But it makes a huge difference to the student, because otherwise it's really not even intelligible most of the time what the captions say. So by doing this, you can quickly make it useful. You can add lots more bells and whistles by putting in the sound tags, by putting in the speaker tags. We'll save that for another day. But that's the basics. You just hit save, and once you do, it's going to go back and have those updated. I'm going to say approve again. It'll have those updated captions on the file that's in your media, and then you again can just add that to a page or wherever you would normally place the video, and it will be correct. Thank you.